Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss how use of artificial intelligence in education technology. Artificial intelligence is having a significant impact on education technology, revolutionizing the way students learn, teachers teach, and educational institutions operate. Here are some key applications and use cases of AI in education technology. Personalized learning. AI algorithms can analyze individual students' strengths, weaknesses, and learning styles based on their interactions with digital learning materials. This information is then used to tailor educational content and recommendations to each student's specific needs, helping them learn at their own pace. Adaptive learning platforms. Adaptive learning systems use AI to continually adjust the difficulty and content of lessons based on a student's progress. This ensures that students are challenged appropriately, reducing the risk of boredom or frustration. Automated grading and assessment. AI powered tools can grade assignments, quizzes, and tests quickly and accurately, freeing up teachers' time for more personalized instruction. This also allows for immediate feedback to students, helping them identify areas for improvement. Virtual tutors and chatbots. AI driven virtual tutors and chatbots can provide students with on demand assistance and explanations for various subjects. They can answer questions, explain concepts, and guide students through problem solving. Natural language processing. This technology is used for language related tasks such as automatic transcription of lectures, language translation, and sentiment analysis. It enables the development of language learning apps and tools. Learning analytics. AI can analyze large volumes of data to identify patterns and trends in students' performance. This information can be used to provide early intervention for struggling students and improve course design. Educational content creation. AI can generate educational content, including quizzes, practice exercises, and even entire course modules. This can be particularly used in rapidly developing fields where up to date content is essential. Enhanced accessibility. AI driven technologies can provide accommodations for students with disabilities, for example, text to speech and speech to text. Applications can assist students with reading or hearing impairments. Intelligent virtual classrooms. AI can enhance virtual classrooms by monitoring student engagement, facilitating discussions, and providing real time analytics to teachers and students. Predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict student outcomes and identify at risk students who may need additional support. Gamification and interactive learning. AI can be used to create engaging educational games and simulations that help students grasp complex concepts in a fun and interactive way. Teacher professional development. AI can assist in designing personalized professional development plans for teachers, helping them improve their instructional practices and stay up to date with the latest educational trends. Administrative tasks. AI can streamline administrative tasks in educational institutions such as scheduling, resource allocation, and student enrollment. Security and data protection. AI systems can enhance cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive student and institutional data. While AI holds great promise in education technology, it also raises important considerations, including data privacy, ethical concerns, and the need for teacher training to effectively integrate AI tools into the classroom. Additionally, it's crucial to strike a balance between automation and human interaction to ensure that the personal touch and expertise of educators remain central to the learning experience. Thank you.